Homemade fresh pasta. Pasta is always good and we all love it. Homemade pasta is even better, and the best of all, it is not hard to pull off and you don't even need a pasta machine. Hello everyone, I'm Marcus from Culinarish. There are many different types of pasta you can make, but for starters, parppadelle is the right choice. So let's prepare the dough. We need 200 grams of semolina. Simply heap it on a white board or on the table. Make a hole in the middle, like a little pond, and crack 2 eggs inside. For every 100 grams semolina you need 1 egg. Mix the semolina from outside to the egg until they are combined. You can also use half semolina and half all-purpose flour if you don't like the pasta too al dente. Then knead the dough for 8 minutes. We want to work out the gluten. Clean up all semolina from the table by kneading the dough on it. It's way easier to knead the dough using the weight of your body. You get tired if you want to knead relying on your arm and wrist strength. It's a tough dough and it has to be. Only then we achieve the al dente texture. When you are done with the knitting, shape the dough to a ball and cover it with a damp kitchen towel and let it rest for 30 minutes. In the meantime, I make the sauce for the pasta. For that, I dice 1 medium white onion. Use 1 clove of garlic. Don't go crazy with the garlic, we want the taste of the pasta take front stage. Crush it with the back side of the knife, sprinkle a pinch of salt on it and grind it to puree. Slice a red hot chili and the green pepper. Heat up 4 tablespoons olive oil in a pan and stir fry them all together. Then we add 250 grams tomato passata and cook the sauce down. When the sauce is ready, take it from the heat. Use a 5-liter pot of water. Get a handful of salt to it and bring it to a boil. Now it's time to finish the pasta. Sprinkle semolina on the board and roll out the dough using the rolling pin. You need to flatten it even and thin, like a piece of fabric. And like I said, the dough is tough and it takes time to do that. But believe me, it is worth it. The taste and the quality of the fresh pasta isn't comparable with the dry pasta you get from the store. Patiently turn the dough time to time and expand it evenly from every side with a rolling pin. The dough should be so thin that you could see your hand shadow through it. Now fold it in the middle, fold it again, and one more time. Almost there. We just cut the folded dough in 3 cm wide stripes. Use a knife for it. Clean cuts are important for parppadelle. Loose up the rolls to make the stripes ready for cooking. It's important to loose them up. Avoid dropping them in the boiling water folded if you want the pasta cooked the perfect way. Cook the pasta for about 2 minutes and then add them to the sauce. Mix until the pasta is well covered with the sauce. When the sauce gets thick, use a soup ladle of cooking water from the pasta and add it to the pan. Let the pasta absorb the sauce. Get a handful of basil to the pasta, or even more if you like it. Dish the pasta in a flat plate. Grind parmesan on it. And then zest a lemon on top. This pasta looks like from heaven. Tastes even better. It has a pleasant bite because of the al dente texture. The picante tomato sauce with the lemon taste goes well with it. Awesome. If you like the video, give me a thumb up and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks for watching.